What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be looking over this 2024 Northwood Nash 17K. This is a fantastic couples trailer. I absolutely love this thing. It's also, as you can see, an off-the-grid package, and I will explain more in depth of what that is in the moments to come. Let's take a look at the inside. You can see that you have your bed here to the right. Got some pretty good storage here above your bed. Got side storage here as well. Key hangers. Little mirror. Let's take a look inside here. Again, this is a great couples travel trailer. It's small. It's nice. It's well built. And it's pretty light. So we've got a nice little side table there, and you also have storage right there on the front cap, right beside the bed. All right, let's turn around here. You can see you've got a nice 3-burner cooktop. You also have a nice cutting board here. Comes with it. You've got your control panel, but you have a generator prep on this, as well as fresh gray and black tank heaters. Got all your light switches and different things. Let's go ahead and close this door. That way it's a little quieter in here. And two, speaking of quiet, he didn't. And two, speaking of quiet, this is a Northwood product, and Northwood makes their own frames. It is not a Lippert frame. They also have 2-inch thick walls on these units, and they have a radius roof that does not have a pinch point here on the edges. It's where you lose insulation. So the roof is rounded and the inside ceiling is rounded, so you can continually have the exact same as far as insulation goes on that. So a lot of manufacturers won't do that. You can see you have a nice big window back there. You've got a table, a dinette that makes into a bed. Got a little storage cubby over here on this side. Got a good sized little pantry for this thing, which kind of surprised me how good sized the pantry is for having a no slide travel trailer. You do have the Norcold propane electric refrigerator there also. Take a spin around here. You can see you have your TV here, and it is on a swivel. So you've got nice drawers, deep drawers here. Also, you've got pretty good sized storage back in here. There's a drawer. There's a drawer. And guess what? There's another drawer. Got a little plastic cutting board here as well. Pretty good sized sink. Dual basin sink. Big door here. Pretty good sized storage underneath your sink as well. Coming over to your oven. It is a smaller oven, but you can still throw in a pizza or some chicken nuggets, you know, something along those lines. Are you going to cook a turkey? Negative. Got a nice microwave here. You have your Jensen Blu-ray, or sorry, DVD. It is not a Blu-ray, but you have a DVD player. All right. Take a look at the restroom here. Pretty good sized shower. And you have the hidden shower curtain over there. Nice skylight. Medicine cabinet. You do get a toilet paper holder with this one. What? You have a nice seating position for the potty. And then you have a decent sized little medicine cabinet. Now, medicine cabinets are never really deep, but it is nice that you have 3 different shelves there. Under here you have storage. And you got a little storage over there too. All right. So my audio for the outside was a little bit too loud due to the interstate and the wind noise, so I thought I'd do this voiceover to save your ears. As you can see on this unit, we have the 3-step fold-in steps that fold in on the outside. They don't go inside of your rig to get rocks and mud everywhere inside. You have the nice beefier off-road tires as well because of the off-the-grid package. You have a nice flex suspension under there. Also, you have 4 shocks on each corner of the axle. You can kind of see a peek at the top of one right there. Going to the back, You can also see the mud flap and then a better look at those shocks underneath your trailer, as well as your fresh tank pull valve. You can see you have the manual jacks and a propane grill hookup on the outside back there on the passenger side. Again, you have 2-inch thick walls on this. You have outdoor speakers. You have LED lights all the way around with a nice big awning on this side. And you can see again, it is the Nash off-the-grid package. Coming around to take a look at your pass-through storage, you can grab the numbers right there and pause the video if you'd like to see those numbers up close and examine them better. Also, you see the VIN, so you know which specific unit, if you do call in on this one, which one you are looking at. You have a nice generator rack up here, or you can use it for a storage rack. You have nice LED light bar on the front, as well as a powered tongue jack. You've got 2 giant propane tanks due to the generator prep. And again, this is a 17K, and you can see a pic of the custom frame right there as well. Peeking on this side, you can see your water heaters right there. Makes it easy to access, and you can work on it, heaven forbid, if you need to. Also, the rest of your pass-through storage. And again, that is a 10-gallon water heater. It can be gas or electric, or both if you have full hookups and don't mind to use the power. Have an outdoor shower above. You've got an LED light also for your black and gray exit pipe there. You have the freshwater hookup. Again, you've got a good shot of those beefy tires and the black tank flush. Got back access there to our propane refrigerator. You also have cable hookups right there as well, and you can see that it has the aluminum superstructure on the inside of the walls as well. I really like the graphics package on these Nashes as well. There you'll see that you have the generator prep box. Again, we don't have the generator in there. We didn't order it, but we can obviously install one if you so choose that you want a generator when you purchase this unit. You can see you have the nice tire cover back there, and that is our phone number if you want to give us a call and inquire about this unit. Let's take a look on the roof, and I'll show you what we really like about this unit as far as the roof goes. And that is, you can see you have 3 solar panels. So you have 3 200-watt solar panels up there, equating to, you guessed it, 600 watts. That is a huge thing, especially nowadays. Everything's coming with solar, but this one actually comes with 3 solar panels on the top. You can see you have the max air vents up there at the top as well. And this ladder is 250 pound rated. It's actually screwed into 2x4s on the other side of the wall there. So I kind of point that out right there. Really like that feature. You don't feel like the ladder is going to fall out from under you when you're climbing on the roof. Nice LED light bar on the back as well for your campsite if you're out boondocking somewhere. And again, you have LED lights all the way around on this unit as far as the tail lights and marker lights go. You've got a nice solid bumper back here as well. Again, you can see the manual jacks, and you do have a receiver back here that's rated for 250 pounds. And there it is. Again, I really love this unit, and if you have any questions about this Nash 17K, please feel free to give me a call. You can ask for Robert. If you're a longtime member of this channel and you know me as Bobby, either way, if you give me a call, ask for Robert or Bobby, and I will be more than happy to assist you and answer any further questions. Again, you can see the model number and the make number there on the side. So again, I greatly appreciate you being here, and until next time, safe travels, everyone.